Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I am here to do the video for February 2018's Oh So Inspired collab hosted by Call Me Crafty Al. So in the description box below will be all the links to the people who are participating this month, as well as to the inspiration video. So what happens if you are new to this collab is that Crafty Al will give us an inspiration piece, whether it's a video, a picture, a blog post, whatever. And you, as the collaborator, are supposed to take some kind of inspiration from it and make a project. It doesn't have to be exactly what's on there. It could be the style, the colors, the piece itself, and you just take whatever inspiration you get from it and then you refer back to that image when you do the video. So that's what I'm going to do here. In the description box below, you will see the link to the description box. And basically what it looked like to me was a sketch of like a little banner kind of sketch thing. I don't do layouts, so I did something totally different. The sketch was done in black and white, so if you go down there and click that link below, you can see it. And I decided to go with a monochrome black and white thing. Then I used 2 pops of color because, you know, it was getting on my nerves, just those 2 colors. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I used quickly. I used this Hello and Love die. I should say dies because there's 2 of them. I used these 2 dies from Crafter's Companion. And I actually ended up only using the Hello on my project. So there's the Love. So I'll probably end up sticking that in there. And you guys know, when do I not use dies? So I had this set of hearts, you know, like the candy hearts. Use that die. I used this die set here for this cute girl. And I used my Spellbinders January Kit Club. I used this one. Well, I didn't use that one for this project. I used this one, this piece here, and then this one here. Okay, and it's a very large die set. Love it. This was fabulous. I did use this in some other ones, so you'll be seeing those coming up here soon. The other thing I used was this part of this kit. Actually, it was just like one little piece, but it's this kit from the UK. And I used a little piece out of that, and I had planned to use some more, but then I didn't end up doing that. The other thing I used was the peacock feather from a Heartfelt Creations. So you have the die as well as the feather, so you can see the feather. So that's what I used in this project. I've been hooked on the whole mini loaded envelope pocket, but this time instead of doing the actual envelope loaded, I made an envelope and decorated it, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the envelope. I used my envelope punch board. You can see all the dies. Right. So I just made the envelope and decorated the envelope up. Okay. So here's that girl die. She's all paper pieced. Those little love your hearts. The Spellbinder pieces. The Hello. And I double layered it to get that shadow. And you see what I mean? I used black and white for the most part. And then I had to use a pop of color because it was just getting too much black and white. So there you go with that. And then it just lifts up like this. Now I have tags in the back, so it's just open like that. And what I'll end up doing is putting probably some die cuts in here, maybe something else, and then I'll put this in an envelope to send away. But here are those dies in the back. Strip of hearts. I also used, I forgot that I used the tail of the peacock on that same die. So I cut the tail off and just used it black and white. Here's a piece from that kit I was talking about. More Spellbinders, the little candy hearts, and there's that feather. Then on the back, I just put 2 of the hearts, and I made 3 little tags. So it's like a little pocket. And I just made 3 simple tags with all the colors. The little chit-chat hearts. And then, like I said, I'll probably go back and just put something in it. So that is what I was inspired to do from that sketch that we had. I wanted to go with that monochrome black and white. and then I just had to add those pops of color. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this idea. Go check out some of the other people that are in the description box below. And then feel free to, if you find inspiration in that piece below, just go ahead and do a video response. I'm pretty sure everybody would like to see it. See you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching.